Welcome. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, you're going to get your time and get your financial future back on track. Today, I want to talk to you about some software that's called AWeber. It's email marketing. It's really good software. I still use it. It's excellent. Customer service, outstanding. We want to go over some features, a little bit of the pricing, and just kind of give it a quick review, and I'll tell you my personal opinion because I still use it today. Uh, but as always, before we dive into it, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon. Don't forget to share and like. And as usual, I thank you for supporting this channel. And today, let's just dive right into it. Let's look at some of the features and look at some of the stuff with AWeber. You know, it's email marketing software. It's got all the tools you're going to need built in for professional emails, even if you're just getting started. And they just started adding Canva design with it, so you can really sweeten this stuff up and make them look really nice now. They've come a long ways. In the beginning, now they're using Canva. That really makes it nice. You can make professional looking emails in seconds with using that. It's just outstanding software. Like I said, customer service, man. You can be automated. You can do tagging. You can make stuff really nice, drag and drop. It's some really outstanding software for email marketing, and the price is just pretty good. If you want to give it a shot, they got a free one, AWeber free. You get up to 500 email subscribers, landing page, web pushing, drag and drop builder, email templates, sign up forms, e-commerce, and more. But you don't get that many email subscribers though. So even if you decide, if you wanted to go that route, just give it a try for a little while. Maybe move. Say if you got a big list, you just move some over because you just want to try it out. You can do that, or you can get the Pro. And if you do it annually, it's like $16. It works out to be $16 a month. If you do it quarterly, it's like $13.33. If you do it monthly, it's basically $20. But you get unlimited. The free and the Pro. It's all, everything is basically unlimited. It's unlimited list, email sent, list profiles. I mean, everything's pretty much unlimited, from your landing pages, your list building, your reporting, AWeber e-commerce, your account management, push notifications, integration. You can integrate Facebook, PayPal, WordPress, Shopify, WooCommerce, and hundreds more. 24/7, live support. You can call them. They're always there. I'm telling you, to me, it's a real. And the different features. Let's look here. Here you can just see some of the different. Here's all the features. Let's just say some of them. That way you can see them all. But this, I'm telling you, this software is pretty good. It's very nice. And if you do have a list that's 25,000 or more, you can call them, and they'll probably give you a special rate. So don't worry. It's probably not going to be $20, but it'll probably be a little more. But you look what you get. I mean, you get a ton of stuff, and this is really good software because, like I said, I still use it, and it's still hanging in. It's still good. It's still good stuff. But there's a ton more, and there's Get Response, System.io now. um, and we're gonna probably check them all out. But today I wanted to show you a little bit about AWeber, because it is an email uh, marketing tool, and so they got Canva now with it. Like I said before, so you can do a lot of designing. I think if nothing else, if you're on the fence about this one, just try the free one. Move some over or even if you're just starting out and you're doing affiliate marketing or anything, and you're just starting out, use the free version. Try it out. See what you think. Because you can get up to 500. If you got a small list or you're just starting out, see how it works. Then maybe you may want to switch to pro. Later on once you get over 500. I think they automatically switch you over anyways. But or you can probably just call them and just tell them. But it's well worth it because everything's unlimited. You ain't got to worry about running over or any of that other stuff. So as I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe, the like, the share, and the little bell icon for me. And once again, I do appreciate you supporting my channel. Thank you.